HWH has been in business since 1967 and started out by designing machines and hydraulic solutions for companies like John Deere and Caterpillar. HWH began manufacturing hydraulic leveling systems for the RV industry and became the industry leader in hydraulic and air leveling technology for the RV industry. HWH began installing leveling jacks on Winnebago Views and Navions in 2008. HWH levelers are spring-loaded to retract while competitors' jacks are powered up and powered down. So if you have a jack failure when they are down, you are unable to move the coach. HWH leveling jacks provide a higher ground clearance when traveling, and extension is also higher than the competition, providing better leveling excessive slope in emergency situations. HWH's leveling system can pick up an entire Class A off the ground. HWH uses special rear cylinder for higher weight load compared to the lighter and smaller rear cylinders found on competitors. HWH's jack pads are heavy-duty, pivoting, and easily replaceable. Competitors' jacks use a thinner octagon pattern that do not flex when the sand pad hits the ground, so they are more likely to bend. HWH also understands RVers' desire for four-season capabilities, and the electrical connections to the jacks are made with all-weather technology, unlike competitors' uninsulated pump and manifolds. HWH levelers are so well respected in the RV industry, the Recreational Vehicle Dealer Association's Master Certified RV Technicians endorse HWH's leveling jacks. Lichtsinn RV has a long respected relationship with HWH. HWH has an excellent history of warranty, service, and goodwill to our guests. Lichtsinn RV is an HWH dealer and installer and offers a special discount for HWH leveling jacks. To schedule your HWH install at Lichtsinn RV or at HWH's headquarters in Moscow, Iowa, please call 1-800-343-6255 and ask to speak with the RV Service Department.